Welcome back, everyone. So in today's video lesson, we are going to understand what is Amazon Recognition Service. We are not going to do any hands-on practical here because from AWS Cloud Practitioner certification perspective, this service is just to understand like what does it do and where it can be used and the other use cases. So what is Amazon Recognition Service? Amazon Recognition Service, as the word suggests, recognition. It is recognizing an image or doing a video analysis. And the logic behind these recognition things is machine learning. Like you feed the machine or you feed the program so many images, billions of images, that it gets trained to understand like what is the image being searched or what is the question being asked for the image. So just to understand this, let's say this particular image, like if this image is fed to the machine learning program for recognition, it will detect the things. For example, the picture is of a female, eyes are open, and it's a happy face and smiling face. So these face detection and analysis is one of the features of image recognition. Then you can compare and search faces also here, which is one of the other features. Then if you want to detect text in an image, for example, these text 45995022, you can very well do that also. And one of the best use cases which AWS has come up with, like content moderation, like because nowadays the kids are always into mobile phones, then your internet and other things. So what contents are appropriate for them and what contents are not, it can be done through content moderation also. You can actually write a plugin or something which you can put in where you can say like if the content is not suitable for kids, it won't actually load up something like this. There can be very much use cases like this. Then we can have something like celebrity recognition where we can feed the photographs of the celebrities and it will automatically detect that if there is any celebrity coming in. Next, let's say about this particular cycle which it is detecting, like it is detecting the rock, it is detecting a mountain bike, then it is also detecting the person. So yes, we can definitely do that. Also, all this video segment detection can be done where the white spaces or the black spaces can definitely be detected and deleted. So this is all from AWS, but let me tell you some of the examples which can be done in a day-to-day basis, and and it can be used if somebody is like thinking of a startup and other things. So let's say that the traffic police management has to be automated a bit. So let's say if we can detect a accident, for example, which has happened on the road, and on a real-time basis it is captured by the video camera and fed into AWS machine, Amazon Recognition software or the utility, and automated real-time SMS alert is being sent to the nearest police station. So think about it, like how good it will be to to get into this particular accident scenario and help the victims as soon as possible. So there are many good use cases which you can think of, and I will suggest like anybody who is actually thinking of a startup and other things to based on image recognition and other machine learning things, have a try on this particular image recognition utility of Amazon, also known as Amazon Recognition. And also you can try it out in 12 months AWS free tier, which we are already doing it in our video course, so you can try it out. But since I am first actually getting my students to prepare for AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. I'm not going hands-on here, but for our next level of courses, which is once the Cloud Practitioner is completed, then definitely we can do hands-on for Amazon Rekognition. So this is one of the use cases. Then you can also do some use cases. For example, let's say during COVID, there was a mandatory rule to, wear mask. So you can also do recognition whether a people is wearing mask or not. All these things can be done. So think about it, and it is limitless possibilities can be achieved with Amazon actually. There are so many good utilities from AWS that I'm really a fan of AWS, to be frank. So today's lecture, don't think it as like we didn't get any hands-on demo or other things. This is in tune or in alignment with your cloud practitioner exam. So it will be a mix of hands-on and uh, a theoretical lecture like this one, so that you understand what if a question comes on Amazon Rekognition, you understand like how you can identify the correct answer. So with that, I'll take your leave and I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks and see you.